Good morning, children. Welcome back to the channel Awesome Learning. And we were doing the chapter Atoms and Molecules. In the previous class, I showed you a video which was related to atomic mass. And I hope that all of you are very much clear about the topic atomic mass. And how is it calculated? How is it related to various elements? How can we calculate a particular mass of an atom? So we did that video. Now today we are going to do, I'm giving you certain notes, and also I'll be explaining each and every topic here with the help of notes that I have made for all of you. So atomic mass, as we have already done this topic, so I'm just going to read the definition here. Atomic mass refers to the mass of an atom. It depicts how many times an atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon 12, okay, of the carbon atom. That means whenever we want to weigh something, suppose you are going to the market and you want to take 1 kilo of potatoes. So to buy 1 kilo of potatoes, the vendor, what will he do? He will use a mass of 1 kilo on the weighing scale. ओके वो रखता है ना 1 किलो का वेट रखता है एक तरफ और दूसरी तरफ ही विल यूज द ही विल पुट द पोटैटोज और जब जो पॉइंटर है वो सेंटर पे होगा देन ही विल स्टॉप एडिंग द पोटैटोज एंड देन ही विल से कि आपका 1 किलो का पोटैटो इज वेट. Similarly, to weight an atom, mass of an atom, हमें weigh करने के लिए उसके कंपैरिजन के लिए भी तो कोई ना कोई वेट चाहिए ना. तो हमने यहाँ पर किसी भी एटम का वेट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमने कार्बन 12 एटम को यूज किया. हम इसके साथ कंपेयर करके किसी भी एटम का वेट जो है वो फाइंड आउट करते हैं, राइट? Then, children, relative atomic mass of an element has been established with reference to the atom of carbon 12. And how is it measured? It is measured in AMU. It is called AMU, that is atomic mass unit. You see, mathematically, mass of one atom of an element is equal to atomic mass into, that is multiply 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon. This is how you can find out the mass of an atom of an element. And atomic mass is equal to mass of one atom of the element upon 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon. दोनों में से आप कोई भी एक टेक्निक यूज करके you can find out the atomic mass. So you will write down all these things in your registers. This is all about atomic mass. Then, children, I asked you to write down, make a table of symbols, but there are certain other symbols which I want you to add. I want all of you to learn all these symbols. In your book, they had given only few elements and the symbols, but now I am giving you the notes in which you have all the elements and their symbols, you see. So I want all of you to write down this table also properly and learn by heart the symbols. These are all the symbols. Now there was a question in your book. There are two questions in your book. One is define atomic mass, which we have already done above just now. And the second question in your NCERT was, why is it not possible to see an atom with naked eyes? So the answer is, children, because it is very, very small. See, the size is how much? 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So you should write it 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So it is very small. Hence, we cannot see it through naked eyes. Next, children, in your book NCERT, there is a topic called molecules. Now, what are molecules? A group of two or more than two atoms of same or different elements that are chemically bonded together is called a molecule. Now, for example, अगर हम same की बात करें तो देखो hydrogen. Hydrogen is a molecule because इसमें H2 है. That means H and H दोनों आपस में बॉन्ड हुए, दो H आपस में बॉन्ड हुए तो सेम हुआ ना. दोनों क्या है? एच एच है और दोनों आपस में बॉन्ड हुए एंड दे फॉर्म्ड व्हाट? वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. And different elements का example भी we can take like water. Water is an example of different elements जिसमें H2O, that means two hydrogen and one oxygen. So different elements can also combine to form one molecule of water. See, they have written here one molecule of water, but you should also write the formula here, H2O, right? So this was all about molecules. Then the next topic here is, children, atomicity. Now what is atomicity? Number of atoms present in a molecule of an element or a compound is known as its atomicity. This is the definition. Now for example, atomicity, ऑक्सीजन की एटॉमिसिटी कितनी है 2, क्योंकि 2 ऑक्सीजन है इसमें. ओजोन की एटॉमिसिटी कितनी है 3, क्योंकि 3 एटम्स है इसमें. ठीक है, तो जितने एटम्स उतनी उसकी एटॉमिसिटी. लेट मी शो यू. एटॉमिसिटी आर ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स: मोनोएटॉमिक, डायटॉमिक, triatomic and tetraatomic. Now let us see one by one. The molecules of many elements are composed of only one single atom. ठीक है, तो सच टाइप, जैसे आर्गन, हम ऑक्सीजन हमेशा लिखते हैं O2, हाइड्रोजन हमेशा लिखते हैं H2, नाइट्रोजन हम हमेशा लिखते हैं N2, पर हम आर्गन को Ar2 नहीं लिखते, बिकॉज आर्गन, हीलियम, कुछ एलिमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो एक ही एटम से उनका मॉलिक्यूल बन जाता है, एक ही एटम से उनका मॉलिक्यूल बन जाता है. सो सच टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर कॉल्ड मोनोएटॉमिक, क्योंकि मोनो मीन्स वन एंड एटॉमिक मीन्स एटम. सो ओनली मेड अप ऑफ वन एटम. एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन टू यू. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ टू एटम्स, ओके, देन इट इज कॉल्ड डायटॉमिक. तो डायटॉमिक की एटॉमिसिटी कितनी हुई, कितने एटम है 2 एटम्स, तो उसकी एटॉमिसिटी कितनी होती है 2. Examples: O2, H2, N2. So see, two atoms, they are chemically bonded. So this is diatomic. Then we come to the next, that is triatomic. Tri means 3. So here the molecules are made up of 3 atoms. See, O3, तो कितने O है 3. CO2, now CO2 में 3 कैसे हुए, एक C का एटम है और 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम है, तो टोटल कितने हो गए 3 atoms, right? So this is triatomic. तो triatomic या तो positioning ऐसे हो सकती है या ऐसे हो सकती है, जैसे मर्जी, but they have 3 atoms. So this is triatomic. Next we have tetraatomic. Tetra means 4. So see, P4 में how many atoms of phosphorus are there? 4. SO3, SO3 में भी 1 is S and 3 oxygen. So total कितने हो गए 4. So the atomicity of SO3 is 4. So this is how atomicity is described. It is very, very easy. Atomicity topic is very easy. Next, children, molecules of elements. The molecules of an element are constituted by same type of atoms. For example, molecule of oxygen. तो ऑक्सीजन के मॉलिक्यूल में कोई और एटम नहीं होगा. ऑक्सीजन के मॉलिक्यूल में सिर्फ O2 यानी 2 O है और कोई एलिमेंट नहीं ऐड हो सकता. लेकिन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कंपाउंड में कोई भी एलिमेंट हो सकता है, जैसे H2O. अब ये एक एलिमेंट का मॉलिक्यूल नहीं है, ये कंपाउंड का मॉलिक्यूल है. एलिमेंट के कंपाउंड में सिर्फ एक ही तरह के एलिमेंट्स होंगे, सेम टाइप, जैसे O2, H2, N2, P4. ठीक है, लेकिन कंपाउंड्स में डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स कैन कंबाइन टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ अ कंपाउंड. So there are many examples like H2O, CO2, C6H12O6. Lots and lots of elements are there. So this is all about molecules of compounds, molecules of elements, atomicity, and the various symbols. So I want all of you to write down these notes very, very beautifully, very, very neatly in your chemistry registers. Fine.